Right guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing a back box delete on this Mark 7 Fiesta ST180. Right guys, this is where we have the original exhaust. What we're going to do, we're going to cut it off just after the rear box, about an inch from where this back plate starts. So it's going to be about here. The first cut. Right, first things first, I'm going to undo that rubber mount up there and the rubber mount at the back. We'll get them off first, drop the exhaust down a bit and see about access, about cutting the exhaust off. We've vacated to the garage for a second, just because it's a bit dark outside, can't really see this, but this is the new piece of exhaust section. It's a back box delete I got off eBay for about 160 quid, just over I think. Got it with the burnt tips. I wasn't expecting it to be that blue, but unfortunately it is. On the description it looked a bit more subtle than what it is here. But yeah, let's get it fitted. Yeah. Right, let's get the exhaust rubber on. On the top here, is that the right way around? Yep. On there. Obviously before you tighten the bracket up, make sure it is straight. Get the back exhaust rubber on. Right, I think we're about there. We good, Mr. Cameraman?
Indeed.
Right, let's get the bracket bolted up. I did put some exhaust paste on just before we put it on as well, just to make sure it does seal. Last thing we want to do is take it back off if it's blowing. Right. You straight?
That's it.
Yeah. It's not knocking on anything.
Yeah.
Sorted. We've got to get this the rear shocks back bolted back on. Obviously put the springs back in as well on both sides. Get the other side in. Work them up with a ratchet. Yep. Oh, sorted. Right, let's get it back on the ground. Right guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.